Please wait 30 seconds. Your video will begin shortly following this brief commercial break.
Are you tired of being overcharged and forced into paying a monthly subscription for your Mac and Windows software? Well, if you are, currently we're having a 50% off discount on all the latest Mac and Windows software, such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Photoshop, Microsoft Office, and much more. Our 50% off discount will be ending soon, so be sure to text us "Need Software" to 818-217-0380. That's 818-217-0380.
To our AutoCAD tutorial. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover the essential tools of AutoCAD, a powerful 2D and 3D design software. Let's dive in and get started. To begin a new project in AutoCAD, open the Start page and select a template, such as AutoCAD.dwt. Once your template is loaded, you'll see the main elements of the interface, the ribbon, the command line, and various visualization aids. These tools are essential for navigating and utilizing the software effectively. Now let's explore some basic 2D drawing tools. Using the Home tab, you can easily create simple shapes like lines, circles, and rectangles. With just a few clicks, watch as each tool brings your designs to life. It's really that simple. To enhance your drawing accuracy, AutoCAD offers several aids. Enable grid mode and snap mode to align your elements perfectly. Additionally, live measurements provide real-time feedback, ensuring precision in every aspect of your design. Alright, let's dive into the basics of editing. First up, selecting objects. Simply click on the object you want to modify. To move an object, select it, and then drag it to the desired location. It's that simple. Now, resizing objects can be a bit more nuanced. Use the nodes to stretch or shrink your shapes. These nodes are super handy for precision editing. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Please wait 30 seconds. Your video will begin shortly following this brief commercial break.
Are you tired of being overcharged and forced into paying a monthly subscription for your Mac and Windows software? Well, if you are, currently we're having a 50% off discount on all the latest Mac and Windows software, such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Photoshop, Microsoft Office, and much more. Our 50% off discount will be ending soon, so be sure to text us "Need Software" to 818-217-0380. That's 818-217-0380.
Now let's switch gears and explore the world of 3D tools. To transition to 3D mode, just click on the 3D workspace. Here you can create basic 3D shapes like boxes and spheres. It's fascinating to see your designs come to life in 3 dimensions. Don't forget about the Z-axis, which adds depth to your creations. For visualization, you have several options: wireframe for a skeletal view, realistic for a more lifelike appearance, and X-ray to see through your objects. These views are essential for different stages of your design process. As we wrap up, let's talk about saving and exporting your work. Always save your projects in the .dwg format to keep all your elements intact. If you need to share your designs, you can export them as PDF or DWF files. And for that final touch, render your project for a polished, professional look. It's a great way to showcase your hard work. Finally, a few visual tips to enhance your workflow. Use zoom-ins on tools for a closer look at their functions. Animated text overlays can help you remember keyboard shortcuts, and smooth transitions are key for clear tool demonstrations. These little tricks can make a big difference in your efficiency and overall experience.